เจริญพรท่านสาธุชนทั้งหลายบัดนี้ก็ได้เวลาที่จะทำวัดเช้ากันแล้วโยโสภะคะวะอะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธ Thou the blessed one, the Lord, who fully attained perfect enlightenment, Savakato Yena Bhagavata Dhammo, Thou the teaching which he has spread so well, Sapatipanno Savakavato Savakasangho, and the blessed one disciple who have practiced well, Dhammaya Bhagavanta Satamang Sasankam, the Buddha, the Dhamma and the Sangha, Itmehi Sakkarehi Yata Arahang Aropitehi Abhipujayama. We hear and with offering a very good amit. Satuno Pante Bhagava Suchira Pariniputopi. Is well for that the Blessed One, having attained liberation, Pachima Janata Nuka Pamanasa, still compassion for the generation. Ime Sakare Tukata Panna Karapote Patikana to medicine offering be accepted. Amagandi Karata Nitaya Sukhaya for our long lasting benefit and for happiness. Scripture Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava, the Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one. Fotam Bhagavata Abhivademi. I render homage to the Buddha, the blessed one. Savakato Bhagavata Dhammo, the teaching so completely explained by him. Dhamma Namassami, I am bound to the Dhamma. Supatipanno Bhagavato Savakasangho, the blessed one disciple who have practiced well, Sangha Namami, I am bound to the Sangha. Kantamayam Buddhasa Bhagavato Pupapa Kadamakara Karomase Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Om to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Om to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one, come to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one, Dandamayang Buddha Piduti Karomasaya.
Now let us chant in praise of the Buddha.
Yo so Tathagato Arahant Samma Sambuddho. The Inseparable One, the perfectly enlightened One, Vijayarana Sampanno. He is impeccable in conduct and understanding. Sukato, the accomplished one, Lokavito, the knower of the worlds, Anuttaro Purisa Dhammasarati. He trains perfectly those who wish to be trained. Sattha Deva Manussanam. He is teacher of custody man's Bhutto Bhagawa. He is awake and holy. Yo imang lokang
Satevakam
Samarakam Sapramakam. In this world with its cast demon and cast spirit, San Samana Brahmaning
Pashang
Sateva Manusasayang Avinya Sachikatawa Pavete. In seekers, selection and human beings, he has by deep insight revealed the truth. Your Dhammang Dese Si Ati Kalayanang Mache Kalayanang Variyo Sana Kalayanang. He has pointed out the Dhamma, beautiful in the beginning, beautiful in the middle, beautiful in the end. Sathang Sapayan Chanang Kevala Paripunna Parisukha Brahmacharya Pakasese. He has explained the spiritual life of complete purity in essence of conventions. Tamahang Bhagavatang Abhipojayami.
Tamahang
Bhagavantang Zirasanamami. I chant my praise to the Blessed One. I bow my head to the Blessed One. Tantama yang tamma pituting karomasaya.
Now let us chant in praise of the Buddha Dhamma.
Yo so sawakato bhagavata dhammo. The Dhamma is glorified by the Blessed One. Sanditiko, Avarimya in now, Agaliko, timeless, Ehipasiko, encouraging investigation, Elpadayiko, lending in words, Pachatang Vedita Yogi, to be experienced individually by the wise. Tamahang Dhammang Abhiko Vashaya, Mitamahang Dhammang Sirasanamami. I chant my praise to this teaching. I bow my head to this truth. Andamayang Sangha Pituti Pikituting Karobase.
Now let us chant in praise of the Sangha.
Yo so Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. There are the blessed disciples who have practiced well. โอชุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ who have practiced directly ยายาปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ who have practiced insightfully สามีจิปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ
those who practice with integrity
ยาติตังจัตตาริปุริสยุกานิอัตถปุริสปุคลา Thus if the four pairs the eight kinds of noble beings is a bhagavato savaka sangho. These are the blessed one disciples Ahunnayo Sasvanavati of peace Pahunnayo worthy of hospitality Takinayo worthy of offerings Anjali Karaniyo worthy of respect Anutarang
บุญญาเขต
Tang Lokasa the gift occasion for incomparable goodness to rise in the world Tamahang
สร้าง
Kang Abhipujaya Mitamahang Sangkang Sirasanamani I change my praise to the Sangha I bow my head to the Sangha Andamayan Ratanataya Panamagadayo Jeva Sangveka Parikitana Patancha Panamase
Now let us chant our salutation through the triple jam and a process of encouragement.
พุทโธสุตโธกรุณา
Karuna
มหันนาโว The Lord I absolutely filled with ocean-like compassion Yojanda Sutta
Parayana
Jana possessing the cleansest of wisdom Lokasapa Pupakil
Kilesa
Katago Then trial is of corruption Vandari Buddhang Matarenatam Devotalin Nitya I revere Tammo Padipo
Viyatasa
Sasatuno The teaching of the Lord like a lamb Yamakapagavata Kapinako Illuminating the path and its further deathless Lord Kutaroyo Tatipano that waited beyond the condition world Vandanidhamang Tarenatang Devatalin Dhamma I revere Sangho Suketa
Hayati
Kita Sanito The Sangha Level for Tygraph for cultivation
Yo
Yotita Santo Sukata Nupo Takor
Those
who have realized this awakened after the accomplished one Laula Pahino Yo Sumeta So Noble and wise alonging abandon Vandani Sangkang Tarenatang Devatalin Dindan Sangha I revere It Jeva Mekanta Pipu Chanayagang
This salutation should be made. What
Duttayang Vandayata Pisangkatang Though that which is worthy Punyang Mayayang Mama Sapu Pattawa Through the power of such good action มาหันโตเว
ตัสสะปะ
ภาวะสิทธิยา May all of Shakran be Satya, Etata Kato Loke,
อุปันโน
Arahang Samma Sambuddho, one who nothing has
there are
had come into this world, and is Arahant, a perfectly awakened being. Amo Chante Sito Niyani
นิโกอุ
Pasamika Parinipani
โก
Sambodhakami Sugat
ตัปปะเว
Vedita Purifying the way leading out
of delusion
Coming and directing to perfect peace and leading to enlightenment This way he has made known Mayam Tam Dhammam Sutta
เอวัง
Chanama, having heard that teaching, we know this. Chati Pitukkha, birth Pitukkha, Chara Pitukkha, aging is Dukkha, Maranam Pitukkha, and death is Dukkha. Soka Pariteva Dukkha.
โทมนัสสุ
Supayasa Pitukkha, sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair are dukkha. Apiye sampayoko dukkho, association with his life is dukkha. Paye vipayoko dukkho, separation from the light is dukkha. Yam pichang nalapati tam pitukkha, not attain one which is dukkha. Sankitena panchupatana kanta dukkha. In with the five focuses of acting maya dukkha. Sahyatita Vesata
นาคันโท
identification with the body, Vedanupatana Kanto, identification with feeling, Sanyopatana Kanto, identification with perception, Sankarupatana Kanto, identification with mental formations, วิญญาณุ
ปาทานาคันโท
identification with consciousness, ye samparinyaya, for the complete understanding of this, Taramano Sopakawa, the blessed one in this lifetime, Evam Paulang Savake Vineti, frequently interacted disciple in just this way. Evam Pakajapanasa
ภะคะวะโตสา
Savake Suanusasani
นี
Paula Pavatati. In addition, it interacted Ropam Anicca, the body is impermanent. Vedana Anicca, feeling is impermanent. Sanya Anicca, consciousness is impermanent.
สังขาราอนิจจา
Mental formations are impermanent. Vinyanam Anicca, consciousness is impermanent. Ropam Anatta, the body is not self. Vedana Anatta,
feeling is not self
Sanya Anatta, perception is not self. Sankara
อนัตตา
mental formations are not self. Vinyanam Anatta, consciousness is not self. Sape Sankara Anicca, all conditions are impermanent. Sape Dhamma Anattati, there's no self in the created or the uncreated. กิริยา
ปัญญาเย
ธาติ There's a solid mind to complete freedom from suffering จิระปรินิพพุตัมปิตัง
ภะคะวันตัง
อุติสสะอรหันตังสัมมาสัมพุทธัง Remembering the blessed one, the noble Lord,
and perfectly
enlightened one, who long ago attained Parinibbana, Sattha Akara Samma
อานาปาริ
Riyam Papachita. We have come forth faith from home to homelessness. Tatsaming Bhagavati
พระมาจา
Jariyam Yarama. Like the blessed one, we practice the holy life. Bhikkhuda Sikkhasa Jiva
สัมมาปัญญา
Panna. Be fully equipped with the Bhikkhu system of training. Tang no Brahmachariyam
อิมัสสะเกวลัสสะทุกขคันทัสสะ
Sa Andakiriyaya Samvattatu. May this holy life lead us to the end of this torment of suffering. เอาไป24เลย อันดามยังสัพพะปฏิทานกาทะโยปนามาเส
Now let us recite the verses of the sharing of merits.
ปัญญาสิทานิกา
Kata
ตัสสะ
saya nanya ni
ตา
kata
นิเม May whatever living beings without nature, without end, แต่สัจจภาคิโนโหตุ
Satanan
ตาปามานาคา Purchase of all the merit from the goodness I have done. Ye piya kuda vanta ja
mai hang
manda vida tayo. Those love and full of goodness, my mother and father dear. Ithane chapaya titawa
anye mat
chataverino. Being seen by me and those unseen, though not shown in others. Sattati tanti lokasamming te pumman
jatu yo
nika. Being established in world from three lands and four crowds of birth. Pancheka jatuvokara
sang saran
abhava bhave. Whereby aggregates are one of our vendor from realm to realm. Ya tang ye patitanam me
anu mo
tanu te sayam. Those who know my act of dedication, may they all rejoice in it. Ye jimang napachananti
เทวาเต
samnivetayum. And as for those yet unaware, may the neighbors let them know. Maya tinana punyanam
อนุโมท
tana hetuna. By rejoicing in many sharing, sape satta satta hontu
อเวรา
sukachivino. May all beings always live at ease in freedom from hostility.
เท
Mapatanja papontu.
เตสาสาสิชาตังสุภาเม
May their good wish be fulfilled, and may they all reach safety. Antamayang metta paranam karovate.
Now let's start chanting a reflection on universal well-being.
Aham sukhito me. May I abide in well-being. Nitoko me. May I in freedom from affliction. Avero me. In freedom from hostility. Apayapacholi, in freedom from evil, Anikomi, in freedom from anxiety, Sukhi Atanang Pariharani, and may I maintain well-being in myself. Sabbe Satta Sukhita Hontu, may all being abide in well-being. Sabbe Satta Avera Hontu, in freedom from evil.
อาสัพเพ
Satta Apaya Pacha Hontu, in freedom from evil. Sabbe Satta Anika Hontu, in freedom from anxiety. Sabbe Satta Sukhi Atanang
ปาริหารัง
Ranto, and may they maintain well-being in themselves. Sabbe Satta Sapphatukha Amunjanto, may all beings be released from all suffering. Sabbe Satta Latta Sampatito Mavicachanto, and may they not depart from the good fortune they have attained. Sabbe Satta Kammasaka
กัมมาทายาทากัม
Kamma Yoni Kamma Bantu Kamma Patisarana. All beings are the order of their actions, heir to their actions, born of their actions, related through their actions, and live dependent on their actions. Yang Kammang Karisanti Kalayyanang Va
ปาปะ
กังวาทัสสะทายาภาวิสันติ all action with intention, be they skillful or harmful, of such act they will be their eye. Sabbe Satta
สัทธา
Hontu, may all beings live and believe. Amera
สุขาชีวิ
we
ตโน
know, always free from misery. Katang punya palang mayang,
May all share in the blessings.
Sabbe Satta, Sabbe Paki Bhavantu te, spring from the good I have done. Hontu Sappang Sumanghalang, may there be every good blessing. Rakhantu Sabba Devata, may all the devas protect you. Sabbe Bhutanupaveda, through the power of all the Buddhas.
โสทิ
Hontu Nirantaram, may you forever be well. Hontu Sappang Sumanghalang, may there be every good blessing. Rakhantu Sappha Devata, may all the devas protect you. Sappha Dhammanupaveda, through the power of all the Dhammas.
โสทิโหนตุนิรันตรัง
May you forever be well. Hontu Sappang Sumanghalang, may there be every good blessing. Rakhantu Sappha Devata, may all the devas protect you. Sappha Sankharupa-veda, through the power of the Sankha. Soti Hontu Nirantaram, may you forever be well. Araham Samma Sambuddho Bhagava Buddhang Bhagavantam Abhivademi. Sawakato Bhagavata Dhammo Dhammang Namassami. Saupatipanno Bhagavato Sawaka Sangho Sanghang Namami. ก็ได้ส่งแต่พระออกฟังเสียงเอา